So here we go, guys. It's the next morning. This feels pretty cured to me. It's not been 24 hours. Look at this mess I have to clean up after. But I'm just hoping it's worked. And the only way to find out is to demold. So I'm going to try and get an edge. And then we're going to demold and see what we've got. Here we go. And it's just this lip. As long as you can get the lip loose, you tend to be okay. I'm trying to do this without getting any of these extra powders all over me because it took ages to get them off yesterday. Come on, lip. This is where it would be really useful to have nails, which I don't have. Oh dear. Okay, that loosened that bit, I think. This is probably because I slightly overfilled it as well, guys. Just need to get one bit demolded and then the rest should come loose. Not the easiest to demold. Should be once we've got that lip out. There we go. If you haven't got nails, use pliers. And I'm hoping that this has worked. Not too many bubbles, which is good. And then I'm just going to flip it. Oh, hello. And don't forget, we use those 3 different colours. Hopefully we're going to get some different coloured effects in this edge. And then it's whether or not we got any kind of bloom on the base, which if I'm being completely honest, I don't think we did. But we'll see. Oh, I'm loving the edge. Right, let's just demold this. Oh, it's very different. I can see that already. Right, so let's put the mold back the right way around so it's ready to use next time. And let's have a look. What have we got? So let's start off with the base. I like that. These are the sides. And you can just see that different, almost, I suppose it's not really a marbling effect. It's just a cool effect. And then look at that. Now that isn't what I expected, but it's still really interesting, I think, as a bowl. And it's a big size bowl, this. Look, 22 ounce, this. One little bubble on there, but nothing to worry about. I can fix that with a tiny bit of UV. But you know what? For a creation live and all the madness that happened, I think this has turned out really cool. I'll get you a few glamour pics, as it were, or a few pictures afterwards. Just have a look at. I don't think we got the bloom, but I still think I really like that effect in the base of the bowl. Let me know what you think. And once again, thanks to Laura from Laura's Art Corner for sending me these goodies to play with. And thanks to Wendy over at Toonpish for the inspiration for the edge. I think it turned out really cool. I like it. Let me know what you think in comments. Give it a thumbs up, share it around, and I'll see you guys on the next video, which hopefully will be later on today, 8:30, the sci-fi collaboration with Kernix Creations. So I'll see you there for that premiere. But I hope you like this bowl. It's very, very different.